Learn English fast, just 15 minutes a day. Greeting someone. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm fine too. Introducing yourself. Hello, I'm John. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Ask for directions. Excuse me, where's the post office? It's on Main Street, next to the bank. Thank you. At the grocery store. Where can I find apples? They're in aisle 4. Thank you. Order food. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Sure. Would you like fries with that? Yes, please. Ask for the time. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3:15 p.m. Thank you. Talk about the weather. It's so sunny today. Yes, it's perfect for a walk. Let's go to the park. Make small talk. How was your weekend? It was good. Thanks. How about you? Mine was good too.